क्या पढ़ाई करते हो तो आप क्या बोलते हो कि आप एनिमेशन करते हो, या किसी ने बोलना है कि VFX या गेमिंग या ग्राफिक्स. बट वन थिंग ऑल ऑफ यू शुड कीप इन माइंड, when you have come to Mac, you know what you are wanting to create, or why you have come to Mac? Because you all want to become tomorrow's content creators. This word is very, very important. It's not animation, it's not VFX, it's not gaming, or it's not digital design or multimedia or graphic design, what to say. जो important है वो समझना कि you have chosen a career in the field of content creation. You know why this is important? Because आप लोग जिन लोग इंटरनेट थोड़ा सा बहुत समझते हो, पढ़ते हो, आपने एक वर्ड सुना होगा, the whole world has entered into the content creators economy 2.0. Means the economy will be driven by content creators going ahead, because today with the digital revolution the world is in our hand. Means आपके सभी के हाथ पे स्मार्टफोन है, घर पे स्मार्ट डिवाइसेस है, स्मार्ट टीवीज है, एंड वी ऑल आर स्पॉइल्ड फॉर चॉइस. मींस पूरे दिन वी आर सीइंग सम अमाउंट ऑफ कंटेंट एंड डिजिटल कंटेंट, एंड दिस ड्राइव्स अ वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग कि आप सभी ने, जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे बैठे हो या प्रोस्पेक्ट जिसको आना है, यू ऑल हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन अ फैंटास्टिक पॉजिटिव स्टेप. Not towards animation, not toward graphics, not toward VFX or design. You have taken a step to become a part of multi-billion or rather trillion-dollar content creation economy. I think that is the most important thing. And what you all are learning, whether it is animation, whether it is VFX, or what we will be talking today on virtual production, are what are various content creation process. So what is important for all of you, whether you are learning Maya, Houdini, various softwares, these softwares are tools to create content. So what is the top? The top is to create good content. From last 50 years or more, content landscape has been evolving, and there are many technologies which are coming in. Amit was just mentioning about the adoption of GenAI. Don't be fearful कि GenAI से जॉब जाएगा, GenAI क्या होगा. Just treat it as a separate tool for content creation. Everything which you are learning over the years will only add to your armory. Means आपके पास और tools है, आपके पास और weapons है, but आपको बनानी क्या है? Content. And today what we will speak is also a testament of that. Virtual production worldwide, people has adopted as a technology or a process because life was tough during COVID, right? सब जगह पे सब कुछ बंद था, studios was not there, लोग remotely काम कर रहे थे, actors were not available, locomotion बंद हो गया था. So what industry found out? Industry found out a new way to create content. It has not come to replace anything. I repeat, this content creation, it will be used in movies, it will be used in broadcast, sports shows, videos, advertisements. Again, we are talking of various content form. This is another process of content. In this session of 40-45 minutes, I will take you through how the world is adopting to this. और आप लोग क्योंकि फ्यूचर कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स हो, आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जानना कि फ्यूचर में क्या होगा. बिकॉज इफ यू डू नॉट अडॉप्ट टू दैट नाउ, यू विल नॉट बी फ्यूचर रेलिवेंट. मीन्स somebody else will replace you. Technology will never replace you. People knowing technology will replace you. I repeat, you will be replaced not by technology. You will be replaced by people knowing technology. That you keep in mind. So you need to be fleet-footed. You need to understand, adopt what is coming in. With that, let's deep dive. Now, people who know a bit of virtual production, some people probably is hearing the term first time. As I mentioned earlier, virtual production is a process where various traditional filmmaking process and technology, mainly the gaming technology, which is there for last 20 years, is getting blended. Means sabhi ka ek, kya bolunga usko, it's a combination of many things. Traditional filmmaking technology, gaming technology, real-time technology, is sabhi ka combination mein what we have come out now is the terminology virtual production. To make it simple, obviously it has a technical definition, usko aap padh hi sakte ho yahan pe, I don't want to read that, but on a very simple layman's language, multiple technologies has been combined to create a much more real-time process of creating content. That's what virtual production is all about. This is a slide. You don't need to remember this, but this slide is all about ताकि आपको समझे कि future के market का size, how big it is. We were just talking to the press, journalist friends of us, while you all are not there, about the media and entertainment industry, how big it is. Last year, the recorded figure was 2.83 trillion rupees, which by 2026, which is 2 years down the line, would be around 3.08 trillion rupees. You can understand how big the industry is. Usme se, obviously, this is a sub part, because virtual production is a sub part of M&E and evolving in India. If you see both the numbers which is in front of you, the top one says what is the global industry value, which is very huge. But cut to what is important is the below one. I don't think so this is okay.